Notecards are digital sticky notes that can be used to visually organize ideas in a workspace. Add text to your notecards to capture your thoughts, take notes in a meeting and set priority action items, give feedback, and do so much more with notecards. To add a notecard to the workspace, go to the Workspace toolbar and click on Notecard. Select a color from the menu or choose a custom color. When you hover your mouse over the workspace, you'll see a blue notecard preview. Click to place your notecard. Once placed, the text toolbar will appear in edit mode so you can quickly add your text. To customize the appearance of your notecard, click once to select it. You are now in view mode and the notecard toolbar will appear. You can change the notecard to a different shape, change its color, the size, pin the notecard, add a reaction, comment, and do more with more options. To quickly add additional notecards, use the right-click menu or use line connectors to connect two or more notecards together. You can apply consistent customization across notecards by group selecting all notecards and using the toolbar to make your changes. If you wish to change the font formatting on all notecards, group select and click the text edit icon. Now you're ready to use notecards in your workspace. Use them in your next brainstorming session, leave feedback on other objects in a workspace, or use them to take notes in your next meeting.